Good morning, Miles. Good morning. Happy birthday.
Two.
You are two, Miles. Good job. Happy birthday, Pumpkin. You sleep good last night? I do have a camera. Happy birthday. Today's your birthday, Miles. You're two.
Bigger.
I know.
Right.
Did you have a good night?
In bed.
Daddy's at work today. But we will have a birthday party for you in 2 days.
Birthday present.
And you'll have birthday presents. That's right.
Birthday present.
How old are you, Miles?
You're good.
What? All right, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.